Hey teachers, welcome back to Home by 4PD, where we make technology practical, creative, and a whole lot easier for busy educators. The first day of school is all about helping students feel seen, welcomed, and excited about the year ahead. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini Storybook to create personalized student introductions that can make your first day experience feel extra special. Imagine welcoming your students with a custom story that includes their names, interests, classroom expectations, or even a fun introduction to you and your course. It's creative, memorable, and much easier to build than you might think. So grab your favorite drink, open up Gemini, and let's create a first day welcome your students will remember. And just in case we haven't met, I'm Align's AI assistant here to help you save time, spark ideas, and get home by 4. Let's get started. All right, here we are. We have a student profile. The things that we're going to use today are the student profile. I'm going to share this template with you, the prompt, as well as we're going to use Gemini Storybook. So you can go ahead and open up your Gemini Storybook and you can follow along with me. All right, so we're going to take this profile and please, please, please understand that you will never upload a student's photo into, excuse me, any AI tool. What I recommend you do is have your students to create a cartoon image of themselves and share that with you so that you can upload it and create the book using that image. It'll be a lot of fun too because the students will be participating in creating the storybook that you're going to share with them. So you can just tell them, hey, I'm going to do a special project. I have a special surprise for you, and I need for you to fill out this information. So you're going to give your students the student profile template. You can copy and paste it into whatever form you want to and share it with your students so that they can fill it out. This is a great first day of school activity. Have them to fill it out. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the profile. So let me minimize this. I'm going to close it out. All right. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Gemini and I'm going to upload the file into Gemini Storybook. All right, so now it's there, and I'm going to take this prompt, which is at the bottom, and I'm going to copy all of this. Which is a lot. I'm going to paste it here in Gemini. I'm going to go and copy the rest. Paste it here. And make sure we have all of the prompt. We got all of that. And we are going to generate. Now, like I said, this is a really fun way to share something fun with your students because when the school year begins, you're in the process of getting to know your students. So it takes a little minute to create the storybook, but as you can see, it's been created. And the cool thing is, this is going to, now this image is a little different than what we had on the other one, on the profile. But you know what? What you can do is you can tweak the prompt. Just go down here, type in what you want. But I think it's okay. So let's take a listen.
Jasmine's Algebraic Journey. The bells of Northwood High chime, signaling the start of a brand new chapter. For Jasmine, walking down the sun-drenched hallway, ninth grade feels like a blank canvas waiting for the first stroke of paint. Today, she steps into room 204M's, Wall's Algebra 1 class. It's the beginning of a new adventure, one where numbers and letters will soon tell a story all their own. Welcome to the team, Jasmine. Jasmine is more than just a student in a seat. She is a creator, a listener, and a teammate. Whether she's filling her sketchbook with intricate doodles, lost in the rhythm of her favorite music, or practicing her layup on the court, her vibrant personality shines through.
All right, you get the gist. Look at the book. It tells you, and it shows her favorite color. So you see her favorite colors. Purple is represented, her favorite color, purple, is represented throughout the book. You can make this more fun. You can turn it into a poem. You can turn it into anything that you want, but this is going to personalize your welcome to your student. And here it says, growth doesn't happen all at once. It's okay to feel a little shy when stepping into something new. In this room, every question is a bridge to understanding. Okay, so let's go back and do something. Let's try something fancy. Turn this into a poem. And of course, you want to put your likeness there, so you can create a cartoon character of yourself and upload that as well. Turn this into a poem that is engaging and fun. Do not change the profile information about the student. You let it do its thing, and it's going to change. I wonder if it's going to change that page. Because I wanted it to change the whole book. Let's see. All right, so now we're going to take a look. Let's take a look at this new book that was created. Remember, we asked Gemini to create a poem or write it as a poem. So let's take a look. Let's listen.
A world of purple and dreams. From your basketball dreams to the Tokyo streets, your sketchbook is full of the people one meets. With music in your ears and a pen in your hand, you're the most creative spirit in all of the land. The art of listening, a listener's heart, and a sharp, focused eye. You catch.
All right, so this book actually looks really good. And I think your students will enjoy the fact that you took the time to create this beautiful story to welcome them to your math class or whatever class you teach. Mine was math, and it's just a nice idea to have something personal for the students to actually hold on to. And the good thing about it, you can download this or you can share it. So we're going to create a shareable link. And what would be really cool is if you shared this in your introductory email to your parents and your students. So we're going to copy the link and let's go to an incognito browser so you can see that your students will be able to access it, and the parents. So the parents will appreciate this too. And this works really, really well for the littles as well. So if you have little students, again, be very mindful that you don't put any PII in any of the AI engines. And you can share this. Something that I did was I actually recorded my books, my storybooks, and embedded them in my forms or anything that I was sending out for the students or to the parents. If it was a welcome, I would do an embed as well. So you can do an embed. You can embed it into a Google slide. You can also do an embed in your YouTube channel or upload it to your YouTube channel and then embed the video that way in your school YouTube channel, not your personal YouTube channel. So I hope this was really helpful. You can use Copilot if you want, but I am going to share in the description below the link to the Google Doc where the templates are located. Share the links to some of your amazing creations. I would love to see them. All right. Thank you so much for joining Home by 4PD, and we'll chat soon.